Hey planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another video. Today's video is a plan with me in my catch-all planner here. This is my big happy planner. I use it for like everyday planning. So we're going to be planning in the dashboard layout using Out for Adventure. It's the new Happy Planner sticker book from the Back to Class release. So if you guys want to check out this plan with me, then keep on watching. So welcome back planners. Thanks for stopping by in another video. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Sarah, all things planning and creating and making it fun. So we're going to be planning in the dashboard layout the 24th through the 30th. So I'm going to go ahead and take these pages out. I can't believe this planner is done. Like, I'm going to switch out to a mini happy planner for the summer. I'm going to switch out things from my July lineup, so you guys are going to want to subscribe and stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get started with this plan with me. I'm going to take the pages out so it makes it a little bit easier. All right, so let's get started. I have already added washi. This is the Simply Gilded washi in my last subscription box. I just love the leopard, so I decided to use it again in my dashboard layout. So we're going to work in Out for Adventure, and then I do have Jungle Vibes here next to me that I thought I would go through. So first I'm going to flip through this sticker book to see what, stands out to me. This is kind of falling into Memorial Weekend, so I decided to pull some blue stickers. I just really like the color palette in this one. It kind of gets me ready for summer. And here I'm just flipping through to share with you guys some of the stickers that I think are really cute. Yeah, so this is gonna get me prepared for summer, and I hope you guys don't mind this voiceover. I tried to do this on the norm, but I try not to film on weekends because it's really busy in my household, and I just kept getting distracted, and there was just way too much noise in the background. So this video is going to be a little bit short with my plans with me than normal, so I hope you guys don't mind. So I pulled out this due today because I'm kind of here chatting with you as I'm flipping through what stickers stand out to me as far as my plans go. Because in my dashboard layout, it's an everyday planning, and I try to pull stickers that correlate with the plans that I have that day. And that's typically how I've been planning with like before the spreads, especially with dashboard layouts, because I'm like, I need a sticker for this type of planning. So I'm just pulling stickers that kind of go with the color palette that I'm pulling, which is the blues and reds, because this kind of falls into Memorial Weekend. My kids get out early, they have short days, and they're wrapping up all their school functional things. So we have like last game days, practices, and banquets. So I'm just flipping through this sticker book. I do have a flip through of this sticker book in my unboxing if you guys want to hear me talk a little bit more about this particular sticker book, but I'm just flipping through to see what I like. And now I'm pulling the Jungle Vibes because I think this sticker book works really well with Out for Adventure because it's kind of like the same jungle theme. So here I'm pulling these little accents because they're red, and it's actually all in here that I pull, but I still keep it to the side because I do have the mini and the classic. That way I can look back at those as well. So now we're going to get to placing the stickers down, and I decided to use this floral paper sticker strip. These are really great and fun, and I thought I would, I've done this before in my dashboard layout where I kind of split up my day, or my week, sorry, with placing these washi strips horizontal this way. So it just like breaks up my day and it gives it, a decorative touch. So I thought I would do the same thing, and I went back to grab another strip for the top. And then I decide to take this birdie, which is really cute. I love the speech bubble, and I thought I would have him perched on the remaining of the washi paper sticker. I thought that was really cute. Later on, you'll see that the strip kind of peeks through behind that speech bubble. When I post this photo on IG, so hopefully you guys follow me there to get before photo of, before the plans. I do take that out later and then I add other things. So definitely follow on Instagram if you guys want to see a shot of before the plans of this planner spread. So hopefully that makes sense. So I love these two decorative blue stickers. Again, I am like really digging the light blues and reds, especially for Memorial Weekend, which falls on Monday. I always get my holidays mixed up lately here in May. I got Mother's Day mixed up, but this time I know Memorial Day is Monday, but my kids get out earlier for that holiday weekend. So here on this side, I wanted to keep it more minimal, and I'm adding these cute jungle sticker, clear sticker accents. I kind of decorate, I normally decorate that portion of that page, and then I'm decorating a lot more on the right side of the page. So I have this weekend sticker here, and I was trying to figure out where to put it exactly, if I wanted to put it, on Friday or right there between Saturday and Sunday. I don't know, sometimes it's tricky. What do you guys consider as the weekend starts on Friday, or does your weekend start on Saturday? Leave it in the comments down below. Now I'm adding boxes to the days that I have things going on. Again, I like to pull stickers that correlate with what I'm planning. But here I notice I use a lot more box stickers, which normally I don't typically use. If you guys watch my plans with me, I use more of like functional and decorative stickers, like little cutesy stuff and deco stickers. I don't use a lot of boxes as other planners do, but there's nothing wrong with that. I just I typically like to write on lined paper, and a lot of the boxes or vertical layouts are pretty blank, so I don't know, I just prefer to write on lined planner pages, if that makes sense. So here I'm using these flag box stickers, and I kind of rip one. Whoops, I still use it, but I use it for like a checklist, because as I was flipping through that sticker book, I noticed there wasn't a lot of like the norm checklist stickers. So I decided to use those as a checklist form. And I'm using this keep going sticker as a motivation to get me through the week. And I just place it over there on that box sticker with the girl looking out for adventure. We have family coming in this weekend, and so that's why I thought this book was also great as well. We have some sightseeing to do here in California for them. I think it'll be a fun weekend. So I thought these girls were perfect. It is going to be a house full of girls. Yeah, so I have a couple of family members coming in, so it'll be fun to actually visit with family and get that. It's been a while, so now I'm flipping through the sticker book again, because you guys notice sometimes in my plans with me, I pull a couple of stickers that stand out to me, and then I go back and pull some more stickers to see what else can fit in my spreads. So I took these assignment box stickers. This book is, more for teachers, students, and just a class theme. And I definitely wanted to use the boxes because they could still be more functional. So I just trimmed off the top that says assignments, and I'm trying to figure out where to use these in my week. Probably in my weekend, it's going to be more of like where we're going, where we're going to eat, sightseeing, stuff like that. So it's not a whole lot of like list making of like chores and normally that I do during the weekend or have games and such. So I liked using these horizontal stickers here, again, just to write what our plans are. And I thought I would use the rest of that up at the top, but seeing it from this angle, yeah, I'm glad that I didn't. It just didn't look great. It kind of just closed it all in, if that makes sense, in my spread. It didn't keep it open, so I just decided to put it back in my sticker book. We'll use it for another time. But yeah, you'll see I'm using like a lot more boxes than normal in my plans with me. So I decided to pick out another palm tree and kind of just fill up some white spaces that I could use to decorate and still keep it open to put the plants in. Adding some little star accents. I was going to use it for bullet points, but I just thought I would use the stars for more decorative purpose. And now I'm going to take these color dots to use for bullet points because we talked about they didn't have any checklist stickers in the sticker book. So that's what I did. I added those colorful dots, which are really great, from the Out for Adventure. And then I added some more decorative leaves from Jungle Vibes. And I've tried to find more of those red diamond accents or tribal accents. I don't really know what those are. I added another box on Thursday, the same thing that I did on Friday. And here I'm just trying to explain to you guys that I'm pulling it together and that I have space to write other things. I left that area blank and I just did that little cluster there so it wouldn't look too busy because it's more busier on the right side of the page. But I think it turned out cute. I was so happy to finally get a chance to use Out for Adventure. I've been seeing so many cute planner spreads in the planner community on Instagram using this sticker book, and I finally got to use this for the dashboard layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I know it was a quick one, but if you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you here, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning.